Hello! In this video, we are going to talk about number 107 in Essential Elements Book 1, Essential Elements Quiz Sailor Song. Now, because this is the quiz song on the page, the most challenging song that puts everything together, I'm not going to discuss as much of the notes as just a couple things that happen through here. Now, in this song, the song is focused between the notes D and B on your instrument. So I have a viola today, and so my D string's my second string over. If you have a violin, of course, you'd be on this one. And so this song is centered on D, E, F sharp, G, open A, you don't need your fourth finger, and B. It doesn't go any higher than B. So it's on those 6 notes right there, and we start on A. So if you're viola, you see we're sitting on that top of the staff right there, that top space. Violin, we're sitting in the second space on our staff for treble clef. And if we take a look, we'll talk about the first skip here. Our first measure, we go A, B, A, and then we see a skip into that next lower space. So A, that next space, F sharp. So, and then after the F sharp, we're skipping even another space to D. Here's the beginning. A, B, A, F sharp, D, F sharp. I can't sing that low. So a good thing to practice would be the F sharp, D, F sharp, because that's a finger coordination, those fingers coming down together. So let's just practice some F sharps and Ds. Let your fingers be a clump and move as a team. Yeah, see, mine are just landing right together. Okay, and then we have one pattern in here we'll practice. We have a pattern on the second line, the second measure, where we go G, F sharp, E, and we do that twice. Let's try that together. Get 3 fingers on G if you have your viola or violin. Ready? Go. So what I would recommend doing is going through and on any skips that you have a trouble with, thinking of like, oh, I'm going from G to E, or I'm going from A to F sharp, grab your pencil and write in a finger number. So write in a 2 over your F sharps, write in a 3 over your G, a 1 over your E's, and that's going to help you. So here is Sailor Song. Sailor Song is an English sea song, a sea chanty. It is supposed to go allegro. I'm going to play it twice for you. The first time I'm going to play andante, which means walking speed, kind of average. And then the second time I'm going to play allegro, which means fast. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see when I went that slow, I had to really think of slowing my bow down. So on those long notes, really be focused. Slow, 2, 3. Especially on your up bows, slow, 2, 3. Now on up bows, our bow is heavier on the frog. So on up bows, if you move your bow too slow and you don't let it try to get lighter, you're going to crunch. So on an up bow, if you're moving really slow, for example, right now, if you want to try with me, put your bow near the tip. As you bring your bow in, just think light. Let it just glide on top of the string. Because if you're too heavy as you come in, you're going to sound like the skeletons in the closet. You don't want to sound like that. Okay, here's a fast sailor song. Now, when I play faster, I use less bow, and I'm going to make sure my bow is really in the middle when I start. 1, 2, 3. And that is Sailor Song number 107 in Essential Elements Book 1.